Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. This is the following lesson of the PostgreSQL series for beginners. So far, previously in the last video, I told you how to create tables inside a database. Just a way to model our data, but it is missing one key factor that tables hold. And this is to store data. And that's what I'm gonna teach you today. How to insert data inside a table in SQL. So let's get right into it. So inside of our database, let's describe our table that we created previously in the episode. Say employee. Just to see the data types that it contains the table before inserting data into it. So these are the data types that we contain. And now we type the following syntax in order to insert data into our table. Insert into, we type the name of our table that we would like to insert data in. Employee. Inside of the parentheses, we're gonna type the columns that are gonna contain the data. Since each column inside of our table is not known, we cannot leave any null value here in the table. So we need to insert the data in each column. So let's do it real quick. First name, last name, date, that's it. Outside of the parentheses, we're gonna type in values. Again, the parentheses, and let me just put the semicolon. So inside, these are gonna be the actual values that each column is gonna contain, like the data. So this is of type integer. Say 1 for first name. It's gonna be Joseph. Right here, Ahmed. That's the last name. The gender. Oh, sorry. So the gender is gonna be male. And date of birth is gonna be, say, this one, 1999. 12. And let's say the 4th. And lastly, the email, which is gonna be we press enter, and there we go. Data is inserted. And how can we know this data is inserted? Well, we just need to type the following syntax. It's gonna be select star. This means that we would like to select each column of the table in order to visualize it. And lastly, from and employee. Let's execute it. And as you can see, this is the data that we inserted. But in my opinion, this is kind of empty. So let me add in 4 more. Let's say that this person is gonna be like Muhammad. For the day, for the which year, let's say 1989. Let's say for month 10th, and the day is gonna be, I don't know, can be, say what can I have? Let's say this is gonna be, I don't know what. That's why I use a random one. Let's say Smith. Muhammad. Oh, I sent a duplicate key, so let me change it real quick. Let's change it into 2. And there we go. one more. Let's say this is gonna be yak. Yak. Rodriguez. It's gonna be of ID 3. So more we're going. Let's say this is gonna be Brandon. Let's see. Brandon. And for what I noticed, I accidentally inserted the same and date of birth. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Time this use a tutorial. Let's change it for this one. It's gonna be an 2000. Let's say the day was on, let's say 11. Martinez. Pedro Martinez, and let's see this one. 4. I just want to go. And then 5. Say Rafael. Garcias. No, let's add a female. So we don't have a female here. Let's say Ashley. Female. Let's say job one here. Let's say 1983. Month is gonna be let's say 12. Say 21. Let's change her email or Ashley. So now let's visualize the data inside of our table. So yeah, there we go. This is all the data we inserted in our table. I hope you have found this video interesting. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment down below as a feedback for the video. Will be really helpful. And so yeah, this has been everything for today's lesson. See you for the next time.